unique selling points are unbeatable quality, eco-friendly cleaning, quick turnaround time, customer satisfaction guaranteed. Hey guys, it's Zeke Demowski with Creatively Innovative, giving you ideas on how you can use ChatGPT's AI for writing Google Ads, headlines, and descriptions for your pressure washing business. So, as many people know, you can use ChatGPT to get whatever you want, but sometimes it's really hard to narrow it down. For instance, if I write me Google Ads headlines for pressure washing, I might get really long headlines such as what you see. It might give you some ideas, it could get you on the right path, but they're not going to be in 30 characters or less. You could say rewrite these ads to be only 30 characters, and you still feel frustrated that maybe some of them are still a little too long. Some of them might work, some may not, but it really comes down to whether or not, well, let's see. See, it's 29 characters, whether or not it actually works. So these actually do. So that is one idea you can do, but then it's like, well, it didn't include all my keywords. So you have to kind of play with it. And so I'm going to give you some tips on how you can write in a better prompt. And so what I would recommend is that when you write your prompts that you're specific with it. So you need to be specific about the 30 characters. And so you're going to be, when you're writing it, say, write 10 Google Ads headlines that are, I like to do 25 to 30 characters just to kind of give it a better prompt about pressure washing. And make sure you got some spelling right just in case. And one thing you're going to notice is it doesn't always include the word pressure washing. And so you want to make sure you tell it to be a little bit more specific. Make sure to include pressure washing in the headline. And this is where it starts getting a little bit better. Pressure washing pros, revitalize with pressure wash, expert pressure washing, transform, powerful. Maybe you don't want that because they're soft washing. Restore, efficient. And so those are just ways to give it a better prompt. One thing that I found, one of my last prompts I was working on was write 15 Google Ads headlines that are 25 to 30 characters long for a pressure washing business, with the first 5 having the term pressure washing in it. So I'm telling it to put the term pressure washing. The second set, call to actions for calling or emailing. The third set, unique selling points. And some of them they got right, pressure washing, but they didn't really get it for these two. Say goodbye to grime, but they're still kind of fun. Revive your surfaces. And so now you have 5 that have to do with pressure washing, 5 that's more calling out, email us, contact us, reach out for help. That one might need a tweak. Get in touch now. And then the unique selling points are unbeatable quality, eco-friendly cleaning, quick turnaround time, customer satisfaction guaranteed, affordable excellence. And so as you see, the better I give it prompts with saying putting the key term in it, the better you're going to get your results to be. If you don't like them, you could just say regenerate the response again, and you just click this button again. And if you want to get back to the previous one, you just hit the back button right here. But you just get more ideas. Top-notch pressure wash, revitalize with power wash. Still got the grime in there, but hey, it's still applicable. And so it has unique things: call, email, contact, reach, get in touch. So all of them are so unique. They're not just saying call now, call now. And then the unique selling points can really help you out with the fast, the exceptional, the eco-friendly solutions. Just something that's a little bit different. So now that you have your headlines, now you have to get your descriptions. And then you can basically give it a very similar thing where you only need 4 of them, but you could just do it with the sake of, let's see, we'll do 80 to 90 characters long, but you still get some ideas. I wouldn't use the call to actions because that's not really something that you need. I would just say maybe write 15, like, yeah, make sure to include the keyword pressure washing and just say unique selling points. and maybe you don't want 15. I don't know. I like lots on there, but you just let it go for it. Experience the power of professional pressure washing services. Transform your property today. You are allowed an exclamation point in your description. You just could not in your headline. And so that's where I would recommend that you do use it effectively and whatever makes sense. But you just can't put in your top headlines first. Revitalize your surface with their expert pressure washing. Say goodbye to stubborn stains. Achieve spotless cleanliness with their high quality pressure washing solutions. Guaranteed results. So it has a little bit of the service and a little bit of something that's unique. But you can tweak it to what your service is about. So when you use AI, it's about using the tool effectively. And I think that's where most people, they get frustrated with it because they're like, well, it didn't give me great results. And it's like, well, what did you put in? And so as you see, I'm giving it a little bit more a narrative of 80 to 90 characters. If you only put 90, I've seen it run over. And then you can just grab the, without the quotes, and just check it on something like wordcounter.net. And see, this is 95. As you can see, this one went over as well, and that's where you kind of have to change it up. So you might have to say, please rewrite the descriptions to be 75 to 85 characters. Who knows why it went over, but that's one thing that there's some limitations. Here you go. Now there seem to be a little bit smaller as well. And so you use AI to basically boost your thought process, get it done faster, and be able to write the ads in a more timely manner. So you got headlines, you got descriptions. You can do the same thing for any other type of ad extension that you need as well. But these are just some ideas to get you going so that if you do have writer's block, you can do that. Now, if you want professionally managed Google Ads management for your pressure washing business, my agency, Creatively Innovative, does offer that, and we do the whole thing from writing the ads, making the landing page, optimizing it on a weekly basis, so it's not just set up and forgotten about. We do all of that, and you can reach out to us at creativelyyinnovative.com for a quote. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can learn more about how you can get more leads for your pressure washing business. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another video.